Ready to skyrocket your presence on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube? Now's the time to take the opportunity before the competition catches on. Get ready to dive into a niche that's made for success. Wisdom stories with a twist. We're not talking about the same old content that floods your feed. This is a whole new level of engagement. Just check out this example channel boasting over 700,000 subscribers. If they've racked up millions of views on hundreds of videos, I'm sure you can get a piece of that pie yourself. And with our amazing audience, I have no doubt you guys surpass their success in record time. Oh, and for those brainless who think monetization is out of reach, think again. This channel has the proof with their join button prominently displayed. But here's the kicker. Creating content like this is easier than you think. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll reveal a secret website where you can effortlessly enhance your subtitles with AI. Get ready for a step-by-step journey into the world of engaging content creation. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to grasp the immense opportunities waiting in this niche. Picture your content igniting a wildfire of interest, with followers flocking to your channel. Are you prepared to seize the moment and achieve success beyond your wildest dreams? Let me show an example from the channel. One day, Albert Einstein was teaching his class and wrote on the board, 9 times 1 equals 9, 9 times 2 equals 18, 9 times 3 equals 27, and he continued all the way up to 9 times 10 equals 91. The class broke out in laughter because Einstein made a mistake. The correct answer to 9 times 10 is obviously 90, not 91. The students began to make fun of him. Einstein waited for everyone to be silent and said, "Despite the fact that I analyzed 9 problems correctly, no one congratulated me. But when I made one mistake, everyone started laughing. This means that even if a person is successful, society will notice even the slightest mistake." So today's reminder to you is that mistakes are part of the process because, as Einstein once said, the only person who never makes a mistake is someone who does nothing. I'm going to show you exactly how to harness the power of AI to craft compelling stories for your videos. First things first, head over to Google and type in ChatGPT. Once you're there, create an account and log in. It's as simple as that. Now, once you're inside, it's time to put ChatGPT to work. Ask it to whip up a story for you to use as a script for your next video. And hey, if you're feeling a bit lazy, no worries. You can find the prompt in the description below. Just make sure to tell ChatGPT to keep its head straight. Sometimes it gets a little wild with its creativity. ChatGPT might be good, but it's not perfect. If you're not satisfied, just ask it to rewrite another one until it hits the mark. Wait patiently until ChatGPT delivers your story. And remember, feel free to tweak and modify it as you see fit. Once you have your script, we will need to use a text-to-speech AI. I recommend using 11 Labs. This is the AI I use to create my videos. It gives you 10,000 characters free to convert into voice, but you can get 30,000 for just $1 using the link in the description. Login aid, go to the Speech Synthesis tab. Scroll down and paste the story we just created. Select the voice you want to use. You can also click Voice Library from the top menu to search more voices if you are unsatisfied with the defaults. Once everything's set, click on the Generate button. Once generated, download the voiceover. Now, let's shift our focus to the crucial B-roll footage that will add depth and visual appeal to our video. We're going to leverage the power of Leonardo AI to generate stunning images that perfectly complement our script. Here's how to get started. First, head over to Leonardo AI. Once you're on the page, click on Launch App. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. Creating a free account is a breeze. Simply sign up and log in. Next, within the app, locate the Image Generation button. Click on it to proceed. Ensure that you select 1 as the number of images to generate. Then, under the Advanced Controls settings, opt for the radio button labeled 9:16 to ensure the images are optimized for our video format. Now comes the fun part. For each sentence in your script, write a prompt to generate a relevant and attention-grabbing image. Make sure to choose images that are not just good, but exceptional, ones that will captivate your audience and enhance the overall viewing experience. With these visually stunning images at your disposal, your video is sure to stand out from the crowd and leave a lasting impression on your viewers. Now we are going to start the editing part. Import the videos and audio you need, starting with the voiceover. Drag it to the sequence so we can make it sound good. Start by cutting off all the empty parts. Cut them all out so the voice sounds clean and fast-paced. Now let's hear the big difference. Sounds great. Now it's time to take those images we created and add them to our project. To do this, just drag and drop the related image into the sequence one by one. We need to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, and we need to cut out the parts that we don't want. Try to use lots of different images in your project. It keeps things interesting. When viewers watch your video, they won't get bored because they'll see different scenes and visuals. Now let's try and add some effects and see if they fit. Starting with the fog effect, feel free to go through these effects and add whatever you like just by dragging and dropping the effects on top of the image, and you are good to go. Then add some movement in every video. I recommend using the pendulum 1 or 2 as they make the video look good. And again, you can go through all the effects and choose whatever you like. Once you've completed all those steps, it's time to move on to the next part. First, find the text option. Then look for auto captions and click on it when you hit that create button. The software generates subtitles. These subtitles are words that appear on the screen, and they're really helpful because they make sure that even if someone can't hear what's being said, they can still read and understand it, which boosts retention. What makes CapCut a good software is that everything it offers is absolutely free. You don't need to give them any money, so whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can use CapCut without worrying about spending any money now to make the subtitles look good. Go to Animation, then Caption, and select the pop-up option, so the captions are displayed word by word, then change the font into a font called Blacklisted, or any font you like. The font used here is not very good anyways. Feel free to use whatever font you like. Change the size and scroll down to change the position to 0. This will make text appear in the middle. Then add glow. Then add the music on TikTok to make it more satisfying to watch. Before I show you the end result, let me show you another alternative method to get captions for the video that are much better than CapCut's auto caption. However, this method requires a subscription to remove the watermark on the video. Don't worry, I have a code for you guys to get 10% off. Click the link in the description and use code R2MONI to get 10% off. The AI we will be using for this step is called Submagic. Click the login button and create an account. Once you are logged in, click on the Create button on the home page. Here you can upload the video we just created without the subtitles. Select the video, then hit Upload. Give it some time, and it will take you to an edit page. Explore the styles of captions, and then select the one you prefer. I personally recommend the Hormozy 3. Once you have selected the style, go to the Captions tab. Here you can edit any captions that the AI may have misspelt or misheard, but it is perfectly accurate most of the time. Once you have checked everything, click Save, and then hit the Export button. This process might take a few minutes, but it will be downloaded automatically. Let's see the end result. David was a renowned chef, known for his extravagant dishes and Michelin-starred restaurants. He prided himself on creating culinary masterpieces that delighted the taste buds of the elite. However, one day, he received a letter from an unknown sender inviting him to a humble village. Intrigued, David accepted the invitation and arrived at the village, expecting to find a culinary challenge. Instead, he discovered a community struggling with poverty and hunger. Determined to help, David decided to teach the villagers how to cook delicious meals with simple ingredients. As he worked alongside them, David realized the true value of his skills wasn't in creating expensive delicacies, but in using his talent to uplift others. The joy on the villagers' faces as they shared meals together warmed his heart in a way that no prestigious award ever could. Leaving the village, David carried with him a newfound appreciation for humility and the power of generosity. He vowed to use his talents to make a difference in the world, one meal at a time.